sketch the following signal. U of n+2 digital signal minus U of n-3. So we have to take these two signals and we have to subtract. What is U of t we know, continuous time, that is we will put like this. But the U of n is digital signal. It is available at every sampling instant. It will be like this. Its magnitude will be 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. Like that it is. U of n+2 plus means we know that it is advanced. Advanced means it starts earlier. It starts earlier. So it starts at instead of 0, starts at -2, 1, 0, -1, 0. So it starts at -2. 1, 2, 3, etc. and goes on up to infinity. N tends to U of n+2 we got. Now we have to obtain U of n-3. This minus indicates that it is a delay. That's why it starts at instead of 0, it starts at 3. Starts at 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. Here it starts at -2. Here it starts at 3. So from 3 onwards, both signal has signal up to infinity. So up to infinity, both has signal from 3 to infinity. Its magnitude is here 1, here also 1. So if you subtract U of n-3 from n+2, what will happen? If they are equal, they are getting cancelled. Because if you subtract, this is also 1, this is also 1. Let us assume that this is 10, this is 10. This is also 1, this is also 1, getting cancelled. 11, this is 1, this is 1, getting cancelled. Up to infinity, it is getting cancelled. From 3 onwards. So before 3, whatever the signal available here will be there. From -2 to 3, -2 to 2 is available. So the answer is, you will get at -2 one signal, at -1 one signal, at 0 you will get one signal, at 1 you will get one signal, at 2 you will get one. That's all. It's all other values are getting cancelled. Let us draw one more signal, one more sum. Let us solve. Sketch the signal U of -n+2 multiplied by U of n. U of n we know. It starts from, it is like at 0 it starts. 1, one signal, 2, one signal, 3, one signal, etc. Up to infinity is, that is U of n. U of -n+2 means U of -n is mirror image about y-axis -n. U of -n, that is mirror image about 1. This is 0, 1, -1, -2, -3, etc. up to -infinity. There is no signal the right hand side. So everything becomes -n+2 means U of -n+2 means it can be written as U of minus of n minus 2. This minus sign is time reversal. Time reversal. This is delay. This is delay. So already we got time reversal. Now we have to make a delay of minus 2. Delay of minus 2 means it should shift, minus infinity should shift 2 points to its right. So minus infinity plus 2 equal to minus infinity. Minus infinity plus 2 equal to minus infinity. That's why no change in the this side. Here it ends at 0. If starting as delay means end also will having delay. It ends at 0. Some delay means where it will end. It will end at 2. End at 2. Now this what is u of minus n plus 2, that is equal to u of minus of n minus 2. So it will be like this. It ends at 2. Ends at 2. That's all. So now you have to multiply this with the u of n. We'll write the u of n in the bottom. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. If you multiply these two, here all are 0. To the left of 0, u of n is 0. U of n is 0 to its left. To right, all will be 1, 1, 1, 1 at every sampling instant. U of minus n plus 2, if you consider, left all 1, right side only 2 elements, 0, 1, 2 only we have 1. So, if you multiply this and this, 1 and 1, you will get a 1. This 1 and 1, if you multiply, you will get 1. This 1 and 1, if you multiply, you will get 1. At 3, here you will have 1. Here you are having 0. So 1 multiplied by 0, 0. 4, 1 multiplied by 0, 0, 0. That's why it won't exist. Here, if you consider left-hand side, u of minus n plus 2 having all negative values. 1, 1, 1, 1. Up to infinity, minus infinity. Up to minus infinity. But here all 0. That's why everything is 0, 0, 0, 0. Only this 3, 1 will be there. That's all about u of minus n plus 2 multiplied by u of. It's